Yoga for stress and anxiety. Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Wealthy Yoga. Today we are going to explore simple yoga techniques for stress and anxiety management. These practices, including breathing exercises, yoga poses, pranayama, meditation, and yoga nidra, are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can significantly improve your mental and emotional well-being. 1. Breathing exercise. Practice deep and controlled breathing, inhaling through your nose and filling your belly first, then your chest. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Aim for at least 10 rounds daily. 2. Yoga poses. Incorporate Janusharasana, head-to-knee pose, Suptavajrasana, reclining thunderbolt pose, Pawanmuktasana, wind-relieving pose, Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend Ustrasana, camel pose, and Surya Namaskar, sun salutation into your practice. 3. Pranayama techniques. Try Chandrabhedi pranayama, moon-piercing breath, Surya Bhedi pranayama, sun-piercing breath, and Brahmari pranayama, humming bee breath, to balance your energy and calm your mind. 4. Meditation. Find a quiet space, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment. 5. Yoga Nidra. Listen to a guided Yoga Nidra session to relax your body and mind. 6. Self-reflection. Understand your triggers, thoughts, and emotions to identify patterns and practice mindfulness. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine for a calmer, more balanced mind and body. Thank you for watching.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.